He's buffer than Chris. He's buffer than my mom's ex-boyfriend. Wait, what? Wait. What were you gonna say again? Who's my mom's ex-boyfriend? Well, my mom's ex-boyfriend's my dad. No. They're not even married. My stepmom is married to my dad. Yeah, and she knew how to drive a car. You know how to drive a car. What? What? Tell me. I'll... Okay, let's see how Mama George. Okay, your mom is so fat that your mom is so stupid that when she needs gas for her car, she sold the car for gas. Yeah. Okay, your mom is so done. Your mom is so fat that when she sit on her car, bruh, the whole car breaks down.